Hi, this is Julia from the Macedon Public Library, and today I'm doing a program with Origami, and we're going to be making, I call them sweet treats. We've got an ice cream cone and we've got a cupcake, and they're really quick and really easy. We have some kits with specific origami paper. If you would like some, you can just call us at the library and we can reserve them for you. You can just stop in and we'll start working. Just so that you know, I have some cheat sheets that these are examples that I'm finding in origami books that we have here at the Macedon Library. So I've made them before. I've made both of these several times before, but I can't. The cupcake's a little more difficult. So I definitely will be using my cheat sheet for that. And just so that you know, we're going to be starting with paper. Origami paper is traditionally square for most designs. There's also some that you can use with different things or circles even. So it doesn't matter how big of a square it is, as long as all of the sides are equal. And the stuff that we're going to be working with, I'm going to use black and white. This is origami paper that is white on one side, so you can kind of help tell the difference. So that's why my cupcake, even though it's one, or my ice cream cone is one piece of green paper, but it's white on one side and green on the other, so that you can kind of get the ice cream on top. I think this is a little under 6 by 6. I think it's 5 3/4, something like that. But whatever, if you don't have origami paper, you can do it at home. Just cut your paper into a square so that all sides are equal. So I'm going to fold down the screen so you can see my working area. And hopefully this will work. So I've got 2 sheets of black on one, white on one, because I didn't think anybody in the kits would want a black ice cream cone or cupcake, but I don't know, why not? So I'm just using this because it's available. So we're gonna start with the ice cream cone. So this is my favorite. So we're gonna put the white side up, and you're gonna put one corner to a corner. And get them equal. And fold it in half, and then you're going to open it up. This is something you do a lot in origami. You fold it and then you unfold. So that gives us a center line. So now we're going to take one of the edges and we're going to fold this edge to the center and line up the corner at the bottom as much as you can. So now we have a crease there. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Not quite to the corner. Point isn't exact, but you're going to get the idea. Okay, so then this is what you're kind of left with. This is going to be our ice cream cone part, and you're going to fold this top corner down, not all the way to the bottom. So this is going to a little harder to see. I'll put the white sheet underneath. You can kind of see the difference, the contrast. You're not going to fold it all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to do about to there. Maybe you can kind of notice. Yeah, maybe 3/4 of an inch, something like that. Okay, so then we have our shape like that. We open it up. Okay, turn my cheat sheet. We're going to unfold it. And oh, wait a minute, hold it back. Oh, between these, the widest corners here, so where this edge is and where this edge is, we're going to fold that up. All right, so it's kind of where, well, we shouldn't be seeing the white there. So it's kind of going to be to the top, where the tops, where we first did our first triangle fold. So now we have this, and we're going to flip it over. Maybe the black wasn't the best of choices. We'll see. So now we're going to fold from this point right here. Let me get my bone folder. From this point right there to this point right there, we're going to fold that. And then we're going to do the same thing on here from this point to that point. We're going to make that a straight line, straight fold. All right, so that's what it's going to look like. And then you turn down the tip. The this tip up there. And there you go. Now I have a white ice cream on a black cone, which you see a little bit of the white sticking through there. So I didn't, because I didn't take the time. Okay, so there we have our ice cream. So that's the first one. That was really super easy. Now we have to go to the cupcake, which is a little bit more difficult. Still not impossible. If I could do it, anybody could do it. So now again, we have our second square. This again, still black and white. The white side up, we're going to fold point to point. Increase it. And we're going to keep it folded. We're going to fold the top corner just of the top sheet down to the bottom. Oh, wait. No, to the bottom crease. Fold in half upward from bottom to top. Fold the top corner down to the center, increase. Okay, so now we're folding it down there. It seemed like there was another fold. Okay, so now we have that kind of design, and then we unfold it. So now we have a crease line mark. We're going to take a corner, and we're going to, so this edge here, we're going to fold it up to make it to match that crease. So I'm hoping this will show. All right, you can see what I did there. And then we're going to do the same on the other side, up to that same crease line. Okay, so now we have that. Change my page. We're going to fold this over. So now we have, maybe I should be doing it this direction. And, sorry, I got something on my screen that I needed to put away. I hope you didn't see it. It was like the weather forecast. So now we have our cupcake this way. We're going to fold both of these top corners. So we've got both layers down to that crease. Okay, so we're going to fold this down to there. And then we're going to fold this again in half down to that crease. And then we unfold it. All right. So now we have the two sides, which are kind of that extra folds. I'm going to turn it this way a little bit. So the top one we're going to pleat. So we keep that first fold. And then this other one, which was an inward fold, we're going to make an outward fold. So like a mountain instead of a valley. And that gives us, so this is one that I'd already done. That's how you get that kind of look at the edge of the cupcake. All right, so we have that part done. That actually is the most complicated bit right there. So if you've gotten this far, hooray! Okay, so now we're going to take this one and fold the back top corner. I think we just fold down and fold. Yes, so that's just down and down. No pleating this time, just regular folds. So you're going to get your cupcake kind of like that. Going to flip it over, turn it over, and from this corner down to this corner, we're going to put that edge with the center mark, which I never saw the center mark. So there's supposed to be a center mark here. I don't remember seeing this step, but there should be something so that you have that center point. Okay, so this is going down. I hope I'm still in like that. So this edge, that corner, going there. So then this corner, because we have to do it to the other side, this corner is going to go down to there as well. All right, so this is the back side. And now we have, yeah, that's it. We have our cupcake. And then the nice thing about the cupcake, as opposed to the ice cream cone, is that these things that we folded initially back, that's our stand. So you can actually unfold them a little bit and your cupcake can stand just like that. And of course, while you're folding it, if you wrote a message inside on the white part that didn't have the color, then it could be, you could fold it up and then have the message. for people to read like a Father's Day card or something like that, or have a happy day. You know, enjoy the sweet treat. And that's it. That's it. So yeah. So here's my we're gonna call these like the modern. We have the modern ice cream cone and cupcake, the black and white. Any colors, the kits that you get at the library, one has already been picked up. They have multiple colors to choose from. I think there's maybe 6 sheets, so you can do as many as you like. So I hope this has given you something to try if you've never done origami before. And we have lots of books about origami in the library. They're all in our ideas section, our idea factory, which is in the back. So that's where we have things that are creative, things to get your brain going and to create and make things and be creative. I say create a lot. So yeah, so come find some books. There's lots of things on YouTube or on the internet about doing origami stuff. If you want to do some more traditional stuff, we have like adult size. This I think was maybe in a children's book, which is why I felt safe trying it. But we have some more traditional designs with cranes and other kinds of things. Some things that even can inflate, like making a ball out of origami, out of paper. It's pretty cool. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and good luck with your own creations, and we'll see you at the library. Bye.